Hi and welcome to my latest video, how to embrace the suck and push on through, which is vitally important in life. I think we'll all agree. Now, embracing the suck, whether that be a work situation or a relationship situation, it could mean different things to different people really. But what we have to do really with embracing the suck and working on through is, despite what our energy levels are on that particular day, they could be kind of low, and that could be due to anything. It could be not having adequate sleep the night before, or perhaps being a bit off track with his diet. But what we need to do is we need to understand this and power on through and complete our goals for that day that we said we're going to do. So that'll mean writing your goals down the previous night, and then when you get up in the morning, just tick them off as you go through them. Always try to accomplish the hardest goal first, and then it's like a challenge for yourself really, to be honest, by doing the hardest task first. When you've accomplished the hardest task, and then every other task after that then appears easier. I mean, often when our energy levels are low, I mean, the last thing we want to do is kind of go out, interact, or phone relatives, speak to people that we've not spoken to in a while. And when you get to the end of the day, when your emotions, when you're feeling, when your low energy has dictated how then you go about your day and you've done nothing, kind of like gnaws away at your self-esteem. So it's then especially important when you're feeling like this, when you're feeling a little bit low in energy, to then complete what you set out to complete on the morning of that day. Go through it methodically and tick off the boxes and get the jobs done. And then you'll feel absolutely amazing at the end of the day. But this can also mean addressing why we feel so low in energy on that particular day. And that might be because we've been on the phones till late at night, or we've eaten stimulating foods perhaps the night before, which have interrupted our sleep because of digestive issues, which obviously doesn't help with sleeping. So now we can then look and address the issues what give us such low energy, but today. So that can mean then perhaps like stopping eating at like say 6 o'clock, leaving our phones alone after 8:30. Therefore avoiding the blue light, which will stimulate his brains and keep us awake longer than we should be. So I hope you enjoyed that brief chat, and I hope you can take something from this video, and just even if it just means readjusting your diet, readjusting how long you look at your phone, and instead of like looking at your phone, just try reading a book instead before you go to bed, just to relax your brain, a nice boring slow read. So until the next time, take care of yourselves, and I'm trying to upload more videos and not leaving gaps so long. Okay, now take care of yourselves, see you in the next one.